everyone, I'm Joy. Today I'm back with a new topic. Do you play sports? What sports do you play? Oh, that's great. Actually, I play table tennis. On weekend, I play table tennis with my brother and my friends. So, I want to share some facts about table tennis. The amazing world of table tennis. First, brief history. Table tennis started in England during the late 1800s. It invented by people who wanted to play a mini version of tennis indoors after dinner. They originally used wood as a paddle and a golf ball as a ball. The first World Championship was held in London. The Olympics added table tennis as an official sport in 1988. Second, equipment and gear. Players need a paddle, also called a racket. The ball is lightweight and made of plastic. It weighs 2.7 grams. The table is also needed. It is 2.74 meters long and 1.525 meters wide with a net 15.25 centimeters tall. Third, rules and regulation. Players must serve the ball from behind the end of table and arrow it bounce once on their side before hitting it. Each game can go up to 11 points. The first player to reach the game target's points will win. Fourth, technique and skills. Players should learn basic strokes like forehand and backhand. They also need good footwork to move quickly and be ready to hit the ball. Spin is another skill. Players spin their shots to make them more challenging. Last, health benefit. Table tennis can improve hand-eye coordination because players focus on hitting actually. It improves reflex and concentration. It makes the brain sharp, not just hitting a ball for back. Players need to think about their shots, predict opponents' moves, and plan deliberate steps ahead. The game gets people moving, making it a great way to stay active and build stamina. In conclusion, table tennis can relieve stress and enhance social skills. Since it's often played by families and friends. Remember, picking up a racket can help you stay healthy and happy while having a blast. Let's get moving. Thank you for listening.